It's our job to make sure everyone is happy. That's why our team works so hard at providing great service. It's so rewarding to receive and share great feedback like this. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing we've done a great job as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring every single time. But please don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialties. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.